What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going over DexTools or DEXT, which is down 4.6% at 76 cents. Very small market cap of only 65 million, with a small circulating supply of 85 million, max supply of 127 million. So I like the small circulating to max supply ratio. That's a good setup for some possible large gains in a bull run. All-time high was 3 months ago to $7. We're only down 28% from that all-time high. All-time low was 4 years ago. If you would have bought 4 years ago, you would not be watching this video. You'd be on the beach sipping whatever you want out of a coconut. Currently available on the following markets. Coinbase. This is actually available on Coinbase. Other than that, it's not listed on any substantial exchanges. So congratulations there. Don't know how it landed Coinbase, but that's very, very good going into the parabolic phase of the bull run, because retail investors aren't going to be using those swaps or random exchanges. They're going to be using Coinbase. They're going to be using crypto.com. They're going to be using Binance, the main ones. So this being on there just lets more eyes see it, I guess you could say. So with that, let's get to the price prediction and technical analysis on DEXT. All right, everybody, let's get the DXT. Big reversal currently coming in right now. If you would have bought 3 days ago, if we zoom in here, you'd be up at a pretty good amount. You'd be up 39%. That's nothing to sneeze at. Now, what we're currently experiencing off after this run up is resistance at the main price volume area, which you can see by the orange line right here in the price volume cloud at about 80 cents. On top of that, the indicators, the MACD did lose a little bit of bullish momentum right here yesterday with a lighter green candle, with the RSI having a slight correction as well, and the WTX starting to see a slight pullback as well. Not too concerned, just as probably just to be a slight pullback, and then we're going to continue to the upside, because if we actually look at this chart right here, the chart's looking really good. And what I mean by that is if we drop from the high to the low right here, what we're currently can see is we are above that 618. Are we back above the 618, or we get rejected? No, we're back below the 618. So that's our moon line right there at about 77 to 80 cents. I'm actually going to draw a red box for you guys right here between that main price volume cloud at 80 cents and 75 cents. That is our area to be right there. If we get through that red box, that's when DexTools is going to start moving pretty fast. And especially with the small circulating supply and small market cap, it's very, very easily doable for some large gains. Now, if we draw our lifelong fib from the high to the low here on Coinbase, we are maintaining above the 786, which is awesome. We do not want to break below 66 cents, whatever cost, man. We do not want to break below 66 cents. That was a resistance going back to May of 2023, resistance July 2023, resistance September 2023, resistance November 2023. So it pretty much took an entire year to break it. And then once we finally did break it, you can see we did find support at it once, almost twice, before we had a little bit of a fake out here recently. But thank goodness we're back above that 786. So that is our life support. 66 cents, don't want to break below it. So in the meantime, right now, what can we expect? So in the short term right now, I would be expecting probably a retracement back down to that 382 area at about 73 cents to find some support. Now, if we draw a horizontal line at that 73 cents area, you can see the multitude of different supports that has held up. It held up back here, held up right here, held up right here, held up right here. So there's been a lot of price volatility or confluence around that price range of around 75 to 73 cents. So I do think in the meantime, Dex Tools is most likely going to be heading down to that general area right here at about, I'd say, 73 cents. And then from there, we can see a reversal back up to try to overtake that 618 area. But overall, Dex Tools is looking very strong, and I really like the small market cap and small circulating supply ratio. That's some very, very nice setup for some large gains during the bull run. And if I had to guess for a bull run top on this, and you can shake a magic 8 ball and you can get a prediction as well. What I normally do is I draw from the high to the low of the bear market bottom to the bull run top, and then you normally extend it up to that 1618 area, which is around $5.56. So $5.56, I think, is actually a little underwhelming compared that this is only a $65 million market cap. We could go substantially higher than $5 during the bull run, and I wouldn't doubt that we would. A lot of coins go absolutely parabolic during the bull run, but right now we're looking pretty dang strong on the chart. If we draw an uptrend support area right here as well, you can see we just bounced off the support right now. So keep an eye on that slight retracement back down to 73, and then we can start rallying out from that point on for Dex tools. With that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.